My name is Rudi. It's originally in Croatian pronounced Hrncic, which is a tough one, I guess. And it's spelled Hrncic. So many people ask me, is this really a mistake? And I'm trying to tell them that I wasn't on the Wheel of Fortune. So I wasn't able to purchase the letters to put them in between, right? So anyway, I want to tell you, because so many of you are first time here, I want to tell you a little bit of story. It's a little bit about me, about my background, and essentially about relationship between me and this great institution called IMF, right? In 1994, I joined the Department of Human Immunology in Knoxville, Tennessee. And my mentor at that time, Professor Alan Solomon, was very interested in two topics, myeloma and amyloidosis. And guess what? You know, that's how it started. A few years after, under his mentorship, I was able, essentially in the year 99, get a junior grant from International Myeloma Foundation, and I got 3 in the row. And I'm very grateful. I'm very, very grateful because my career wouldn't be what it is today without the help from people from IMF. Why is this important? In year 2000, topic on my research was amyloidosis, light chain amyloid, right? It can be complication of myeloma. It could be separate identity, separate disease, right? What is interesting about it is that it is also monoclonal gammopathy. It also starts in the bone marrow, etc. So, in year 2000, I published something in American Journal of Pathology with my colleagues and my mentor. NIH, a few years later, modified this particular antibody. And I'm very pleased to tell you, my friend, that last December at ASH, American Society of Hematology, Dr. Suzanne Lange was using this particular antibody, and they have very good results in the patient with amyloid. So another great win for the patient, everybody else. And I have to say, without IMF, that wouldn't be possible. So, okay, talking about the lecture. So today we're going to talk about serum-free light chain assay, most of the time. So we have so many different biomarkers, right? Only good thing about myeloma is that those cells in the bone marrow, they can produce a little bit of specific proteins and release them in circulation.